Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther and this is Unfiltered with E. I just came back from a week-long trip in Houston, and coming back to reality is always, I feel like it's the hardest part. It's like now you have to come back to your regular routine. I have school, I have work. Before I left, my place was somewhat clean. Like, I cleaned everything, but one thing that I always hate doing is laundry. So if you guys hear that in the background, yes, I have 3 loads to do right now. So there's 1 load running as we speak. And my fridge, which I will show you guys in a bit, is empty. Before I left, I didn't want to go grocery shopping, so I kind of ate out for a whole week and a half. Mainly because I had exams and I had work and I had school, and it was just a lot. So it was more convenient for me to eat out than it was for me to like make food. So I am getting my laundry done. I cleaned my place quite a bit. Like I said, it wasn't as dirty, but it's just nice to come back and like clean up a little bit and tidy up whatever I didn't do before I left. And I just showered, I got ready. I'm about to take you guys with me as I go grocery shopping and kind of just show you guys what I get on like a regular basis, plus give you like a quick little fridge tour, since I don't really want just one video to be dedicated to just the fridge. I don't know, people do that, but like, I don't know, I'm kind of mixing everything all in one. So without further ado, come with me as I get back to my regular routine after spring break. I was not kidding when I said that my fridge is empty, and shout out to my Texas magnet there, and I have a Puerto Rico one. I do want to get a few more, but that's for later. So this is kind of my fridge at the moment. I always have eggs, always. So I do have some, like a mix of salad toppers right there. Don't judge, my veggies are kind of old. At least that pepper right there has got to go. Empty, empty, empty. And then I have cheese, butter, my yum yum sauce, handy dandy. I have some more butter, spray, some water, ragu, more ragu for when I made spaghetti. So I do have a list of things that I need to buy right here. It's kind of short because those are just the necessities that I need. Obviously, I would buy more as I go. And then my freezer, oh God. And my freezer needs some help. That is ice cream that dripped down there. So I'll need to clean that up. I was going to get like a freezer organizer, so I think that's what I'm gonna do, because this right here just looks disgusting to me, and I just kept procrastinating on buying that. So hopefully I remember and I get that for the freezer, kind of like how I have organizers for my fridge. Okay, let me show you all the fit real quick. So, and I'm just gonna wear my A1s. It's cold outside. I usually don't wear long socks like under my pants, but it's cold. And yes, I am watching myself because you guys need to go back and watch my videos. Let's get those views up so I can meet the minimum to start getting monetized on my channel. It's gonna happen soon. I can already feel it. So thank you all for just supporting and watching and having your mamas and your aunties watch. Like, I appreciate that. But yeah, this is the fit. Just got in the whip. I'm about to head to Walmart and get a few things on my list, and then I might stop over at TJ Maxx and get those containers. But before I do, I need some food in my system, because you know what they say, never shop hungry, and I am famished. Like, I have not eaten since I got back. So yeah, here we go. One thing that I kind of miss about Texas is the traffic. When you drive here, there's literally no traffic, so you can get to places in like 10-15 minutes versus like 30 to like an hour back in Texas. I hopefully get everything that I need from Walmart, even those like freezer containers, because one thing that I hate is like going back and forth, going from one place to another to grab things. And usually Walmart has almost everything that I need. I hope you guys can hear me, because this car is kind of loud, plus obviously other cars too. I don't think that I got sick, but my nose is a little runny, so fingers crossed that I don't like come up with a cold or something. It's currently 32 degrees, which feels good, versus like Texas, like 50 degrees, which felt super cold. I don't know why, but I guess I just got used to this cold. Like, this is not cold to me, but in Texas one day it was, I want to say like 55, almost 60 degrees, and I couldn't stay outside because my whole body just froze. If anyone can explain what that was about, please feel free to in the comments. I need a car wash, because if y'all see this car, it's not the best at all. I need to clean the inside of my car. We're supposed to get a blizzard, because it's snowing right now, but we're supposed to get a blizzard either tomorrow or Thursday, so I need to get everything. Like, I need to buy groceries now, because I'm not leaving the house. Like, school might get canceled, and I need to have food in my fridge. Just got to Walmart, and I realized that I left my reusable Walmart bags that I bought, because I really don't like having plastic bags. This happens so much because I don't grocery shop like that. Like, I grocery shop once a month, honestly, and like throughout the month I kind of just come and like get whatever I need for the moment or for whatever meal I'm making. So the fact that I left that is not surprising, but it's frustrating. I didn't even stop to get like food because it's starting to snow, and I need to get in and out, grab whatever I need, and dip, because it's gonna get cold, and I don't really want to be outside when it starts to blizzard. So let's get in, let's grab whatever we need, and be out of here. I was in there for less than an hour and my car is already covered with snow. It's supposed to blizzard today, so I'm gonna rush, get home, make this food, and study because I have a quiz on Thursday. The food ended up being just a little under my budget for the day, which is always good. I'm gonna get to stocking everything so I try to like multitask by killing two birds with one stone. So I'm gonna stock and like cook at the same time just to save time because I still need to study and edit my vlog. fridge looks a lot better than it did a few hours ago. I'm about to eat and then get my schoolwork ready for the week. I want to thank you guys for continuing to support me, and any new subscribers, welcome to the family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay unfiltered, you guys.